Hey guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this quick overview video, I'm going to talk about an upcoming product called ZSuite. And this product is going to be live on 15th of April at 11 a.m. Eastern. And this product ZSuite consists of 4 different design products, and you're going to get 4 products for the price of 1. So right now I'm on the JV page of the ZSuite, and let's see what we have got. So it says you will get it says ZSuite is a new design platform made up of 4 core design apps. So there are 4 apps. These are Youzign, Gifzign, Mockzign and Logozign. So right now these apps are being sold. So right now these softwares are being sold separately, but with ZSuite you are going to get all these 4 design software for the price of 1. So let's have a look at the first one, which is the Youzign. So Youzign has got 60 different pre-made design formats and a simple yet powerful user interface. So what you can do with Youzign, you can create different graphics for your social media, for your blog, for your YouTube channel, for anything. So they've got predefined templates as well, or you can start from scratch. You can use the templates, just edit it, and it has got a very simple, easy drag and drop editor. You don't have to worry about coding or complex graphic designing. You don't need to know that, and you can create graphics using Youzign. And you can create awesome, beautiful graphics using Youzign. So as we can see, it says pool of templates, never struggle for inspiration again, organize your designs in folder, create unlimited folders, free access to Youzign marketplace where you can easily sell your designs which you're going to create, like they have shown over here. You can create a business card as well using Youzign. Now moving on to the next software as a part of the suite, which is Gifzign. So it is an all-in-one GIF software for your customers. So you can create beautiful GIFs out of MP4 YouTube videos, or you can also record your screen and create GIFs. And on top of that, you can add your own text and images with the GIF editor, which is built inside. And you can create stunning cinemagraphs the easy way. You can do all sort of coloring and all the good stuff with the GIFs. And you can use this GIFs in your videos as a part of your sales page, sales videos. So there's a lot you can do with the GIFs. You can also use the GIFs for fun by passing it on to your friends and family. And the next software is Mockzign. So Mockzign is the fastest mockup creator online. So you simply have to upload your image and Mockzign automatically create 100 different photorealistic mockups instantly. So again, you don't have to worry about expensive designing and complex coding. You can just create a mockup with just one click. And there are huge library of mockup templates. You can create different kinds of unique photorealistic mockups, including phone, tablet, desktop, watch, and a lot more. And the fourth software as a part of the suite is Logozign. So with this software you can design and create your own logos. It has got a pain-free logo creator. You don't have to drag anything, just point and click. It is extremely fast. It has got lettermarks, mascots, combos. You can upload your own images or choose from the existing templates, and these you can use hundreds of free copyright fonts for your perfect logo. And not only you can create logo for yourself, but you can also sell it as a service to your different clients. So now let's talk about the pricing for this software. The front end ZSuite will cost you $67. So in $67 you're going to get 4 softwares. And it has got the commercial license included with the front end. And there are few OTOs, one-time offers as well. So the OTO 1 is the templates upgrade with club. So it has got so it will cost you $67, and it has got the $19.99 monthly charge as well. So the first OTO is the OTO 1 templates, which is upgrade with club. So it includes ZSuite templates upgrade, which will cost you $67. And then we have the ZSuite templates upgrade but plus ZSuite club, that's going to cost you $57, and then there will be a monthly charge of $19.99. So that includes 5200 templates, including 4000 Youzign templates, 200 Gifzign mockup templates, 1000 Mockzign mockup templates, and hundreds extra templates each and every month. And then we have the OTO 2, which is the agency license. So if you need 5 extra license, you need to pay $87. For 10 extra license, it will cost you $107, and for 20 extra licenses, it will cost you $167. And then we have the final OTO, which is the OTO 3, which is Visual University, and that will cost you $197. So what you are going to get, 3 extreme visual marketing mega courses, and the courses will include Visual UNI BuzzFeed, Visual UNI Mockup Blueprint, Launch Blueprint. So it's basically a combination of courses through which you will learn everything about the graphic designing. So I'm super excited about this product, and what I'm also going to do, I'm going to put together my custom bonuses for this product, which you will get if you decide to purchase ZSuite through my link. And I will also do a full review video for ZSuite so that you can make an informed decision about this product. And as of now, what you have to do, you just need to click on the link down below and subscribe to my list, and you will be notified once my bonus video is up as well as my full review is up. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.